Hello, my name is Anuj Rawat. So, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to tell you about the complex number. आपने देखा होगा रियल नंबर्स के बारे में आपने स्टडी की होगी. व्हाट इज़ दैट रियल नंबर? रियल नंबर वो नंबर्स होते हैं जो कि नेचुरल नंबर हो. नेचुरल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं? 1 से लेके अप टू इन्फानाइट. 1 2 3 4 अप टू इन्फानाइट. सेकेंड जो नंबर होता है दैट इज इंटीजर नंबर. वो स्टार्ट होते हैं आपके -1 माइनस इन्फिनिटी से, -10 -9 -1 0 1 2 3 अप टू इन्फानाइट. So this is the second integer number. Then the third one is whole number. होल नंबर स्टार्ट करते हैं हम 0 से. 0 1 2 3 4 अप टू इन्फानाइट. फोर्थ वन इज योर रैशनल नंबर. नंबर विच इज डिनोटेड बाय p by q फॉर्म. p by q के फॉर्म में होता है इन विच p एंड q आर इंटीजर्स, जैसे कि 1/2 1/3 4/9. दिस ऑल आर रैशनल नंबर. एंड अनदर नंबर विच इज here is irrational number, जो कि आपके पास होते हैं √3, जो मैथ्स में डिफाइन होते हैं √5 √7 अप टू इन्फानाइट. सो दिस ऑल नंबर्स आर रियल नंबर्स. अगर मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन दूं जिसमें बोलूं x² -9 इक्वल्स टू 0 हो रहा है, सो व्हाट वी गेट? x² इज इक्वल्स टू -9 को राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाएंगे तो इट विल बी +9. So what I will get? X is equals to √9 which is ±3. So इसका अगर सिग्निफिकेंस देखें तो ये है एग्जिस्ट, ये यूनिवर्स में एग्जिस्ट करता है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट्स कम्स अंडर द रियल नंबर +-3. बट व्हाट इफ But what if I say x² + 9 equals to 0? अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो x² इज इक्वल्स टू -9. विल टेक अंडर रूट. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू √9. यह आपने पहली बार देखा होगा बिकॉज आपने x इक्वल्स टू √+9 देखा है, -9 नहीं देखा है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? We will simplify like this, -1 into √9. साइंटिस्ट ने इस √-1 को, मैथमेटिशियन ने इस √-1 को रिप्लेस किया आयोटा से. √-1 we called as iota. Now what I will do, I will simplify with √9 into √-1. So you can replace easily by this √-1 as a I. So here what I will get? X is equals to √-9 can be written as +-3, and this iota, this √-1 is replaced by iota. So we have x is equals to +-3i. Same we will do one more question. In this question I will take second example, x² + 4 equals to 0. Now what I will do? I will take in the right hand side, it will x² is equals to -4. After that if I take under root, I will get √-4. So here you will get √-1 into 4. This √-1 can be replaced by iota. Okay, so √4 is +-2. So final answer will be +-2i. Right? Now so we can solve this equation. Before that it's very difficult to solve the equation. क्योंकि आपने देखा था एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -4 इक्वल टू 0, तो हम आप फाइंड आउट करते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू +4, एक्स इज इक्वल टू +-2. बट हियर वी कैन सॉल्व इफ वी हैव अंडर रूट ऑफ -1, राइट. Now we will see some mathematics of this iota. What is this I? If I simplify, I is equals to under root of -1. If I say I square, what it will be? I into I. Or if I want to find I square, what I will do? I will square this first equation. So what I will get? I square is equals to under root of -1 whole square, it will be -1. Under root will be cancel out because -1 की power 1/2 into 2, you can write directly I square -1. Now I cube can be written as I square into I. So I square have a value of -1 into I. So what I will get? -I. In later stage, I to power 4, you can write I square whole square. This is I to the power 4. So it can be written as I square whole square. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. So I square will be -1 to the power square. What I will get? 1. So these 4 values you have to remember. I will summarize that value. I is equals to under root of -1, I square -1, I cube minus I, and I4 is +1. This value you have to remember, or if you not able to remember it, just remember this two. I is equals to root -1 and I square is equals to -1, right? So based on this result, I will solve some algebra of it. So complex number is denoted by capital Z. Capital Z can be written as x plus iy. So in any equation, if you got like you solve this equation, x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, right? What you will find? You can use this formula. You can compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. From here you will get a is equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c is equals to 1. You can use the formula minus b under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So what will get? X equals to, we substitute the value of a, b, c here. So what I will get? -1 under root of 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2. After solving, what I will get? After solving this equation, what I will get? -1 plus minus root of -3 by 2. See, this is under root of -3. So you can directly substitute here -1 plus minus root minus of 1 into root of 3 divided by 2. So I'll just place this equation here. Okay, so finally what I will get? X, this under root of -1 is replaced by iota, this I. So -1 plus minus root 3i divided by 2. This is your final answer. This is the final value of x, or we can say root of this equation. which is this value. This is something like real plus imaginary number. So we can separate by this equation by like this, 1 by 2 plus minus root 3 by 2 iota. This value that we obtained is compared with complex equation, complex variable, which is denoted by z is equals to a plus ib. I told you complex number can be represented by z, capital Z. So it will be a plus ib. So by comparing this value with this, what I will get? A is in which A is real part of complex number and B is imaginary part of that complex number. A is real part of Z and B is imaginary part of Z. Right. So you can get the value of A as a minus 1 by 2. You can compare with this iota. What is this? B is plus minus root 3 by 2. So any complex number can be represented by a capital Z, summation of real part plus imaginary part. Okay. So from here you can get the value of x in terms of real part. Real part is this minus 1 by 2 and imaginary part is this. So you will get the two roots. One is for minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i and second one is minus 1 by 2 minus of root 3 by 2i. So this is the basics of complex number, how it is represented. Now we will see some algebra of it, algebra of complex number, in which see we have a complex number in the form of a plus ib, or we can write it as x plus iy. This is the notation only. So z is equals to a plus ib. So now if any complex number, we are starting with algebra. I think you have seen algebra like 1 plus 2 is equals to, you know it, 3. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. In this way, if any complex number, that is z, if it is adding with another complex number, it is simply adding. Like I will take z1 as a, I will take an example, 2 plus 3i and z2 as a 3 plus 4i. And if I want to find this z1 plus z2, what is this z1 plus z2? What we will do, we will add the real part of z1 is added with real part of z2. So we can write 2 plus 3 and the imaginary part of z1 is added with imaginary part of z2. So what I will get? 3 plus 4. So finally what you get? z1 plus z2 is equals to 5 plus 7i. In this way, if you have a z1 and z2, another thing is subtraction. We have some properties like associative properties, commutative property. We will later on discuss it. Just we will find subtraction. So in subtraction, like in real number you have seen like 5 minus 2 is 3. In the same manner, if you have a complex number like z1 equals to, now I will take some new example, 2 plus 5i and z2 is equals to minus 1 plus 2i. If I want to subtract it, So what I will do, Z1 minus Z2. What I will do? I will subtract the real part of it. Just I will write this 2 plus 5i minus 1 plus 2i. So real part of this Z1 is 2 and imaginary part of real part of Z2 is minus 1. So we subtract like in this manner, 2 minus of minus 1 plus iota 5 minus of plus 2. After simplification, what I will get? 2 plus 1, 3. Minus minus will become plus. So we will get 3. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. So 3 plus 3i would be my answer. Right? In this manner, you can do addition and subtraction. Now we will do multiplication. Likewise, if you have a complex number Z1 equals to 3 plus 4i, right, and Z2 is equals to minus 2 plus 3i. Real part having imaginary part, real part and imaginary part. I have to multiply it. So what is Z1 into Z2? We simplify it like in this manner, 3 plus 4i into Z1 is 3 plus 4i into minus 2 plus 3i. We multiply it. Multiply is like this. I think you have done 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4. So 1 into 4, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4. So in this manner, if I multiply 3 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3i, then again plus 4i minus 2, and then later on plus 4i into 3i. We simplify it. What I will get is minus 6, 9i, minus 8i, 4th is a 12 I square. I told you I square is minus 1. So I will substitute that value. 9 minus 8, how much you will get? I plus 12 I square. I square we have a value of minus 1. Simplify it. How much you get? Minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18 plus I. This is the final result of multiplication of any two complex number. Right? So I think it's easy. For the same, I will calculate division. For the same number of same complex number, I will perform division. That is Z1 upon Z2. What I will get? 3 plus 4i minus 2 plus 3i. We'll substitute this value here, Z1 in Z2. So if this number is in division, so what we will do, we'll rationalize it. Rationalize कैसे होता है? Minus 2 minus 3i, minus 2 minus 3i. We'll place this number as it is and just replace the positive sign with negative sign. In class 9th you have seen rationalize, how to rationalize the number. Okay. Only thing you have to remember, this imaginary part becomes negative, just opposite to whatever sign it is having. If it is having minus 3i, you will substitute plus 3i. Okay, we will solve this. 3 plus 4i minus 2 minus 3i divided by minus 2 plus 3i and minus through minus 3i. We'll simplify it. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 into minus 3i is minus 9i. Plus 4i into minus 2 is minus 8i. Plus 4i into minus 3i, it will be minus 12i square. Now here also you can see directly. You have used formula a plus b, a minus b, so you can directly substitute. This is a plus b, a minus b. If a is minus 2 and b is 3i, so you can see it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You can directly substitute a square, a plus b into a minus b becomes a square minus b square. So a square means minus 2 square minus 3i whole square. A plus b into a minus b, where a is minus 2, b is 3i. So you can directly substitute with a square minus b square, because a plus b into a minus b becomes a square minus b square. So I directly substitute with a square minus b square. We'll solve this to get the final value of division. So z1 upon z2 is equals to minus 6, this minus 6, minus 8, minus 9 is minus 17i, minus 12i square. I square can be written as minus 1. I told you have to remember I is root of minus 1, I square is minus 1. These two values you have to remember with iota. So I square is minus 1, so it becomes minus 12 into minus 1, it becomes plus 12, divided by minus 2 to the power 2, it becomes 4 minus 3 3 are 9, 9i square minus 9i square. So here I square can be replaced by this minus 1. So 12 minus 6 is how much? 6 minus 17i divided by this I square is minus 1. So 4 minus 9 into minus 1. After simplification, we will get the final value of z1 upon z2, that is 6 minus 17i divided by 4 plus 9, that is 6 minus 17i is equals to 13. This is the final result of z1 upon z2. So you can simplify as many as problem in algebra of complex number. So this is the basic thing of complex number. You just have to remember real part and imaginary part of any complex number. So one more thing is conjugate. Conjugate means if you have a real number z is equals to 3 plus 4i, right? 3 plus 4i. If you want to calculate conjugate of it, what we will do, we'll just change the sign of imaginary part. What is the imaginary part here? 4. Real part is 3. Imaginary part is 4. This is the imaginary part. Coefficient of iota is imaginary part. So z bar becomes 3 minus 4i. you just have to change the sign of imaginary part. Imaginary part क्या है आपका 4i plus 4i. So conjugate में क्या होगा, imaginary part का just opposite sign होगा. अगर यहाँ पे +4 है तो it will become -4. So it will give the conjugate. और उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसा होता है, z के ऊपर बार लगा दो. So this is the first thing. Now what we will study, we will see the equality of z. Equality of z. Let's say z is equals to x plus iy, or I will say some value I will take 2 plus 3i. It's better to take a value 2 plus 3i. We can say real part is 2. We also represent it like this. Real part of z is 2. Imaginary part, it is represented as imaginary part of this z is 3. You can directly represent it like this. So we can write real part of z plus iota imaginary part of z. You can write this way also. Okay, so real part is 2 plus 3i, you can represent it. So if any quantity in equality of z, we will equate with LHS with RHS. Let's say 3x plus 2x minus y iota is equals to minus 2 plus 3i. Let's say you have this type of question in which you have to calculate value of x and value of y. So we'll directly verify with this. First we will partition the real part and imaginary part. So from LHS you have seen the real part is only this part 3x. So real part is 3x is compared with the real part of RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. LHS is left hand side, RHS is right hand side. If any complex number is equal, then the real part of z is equal to the real part of RHS में जो भी आपका रियल पार्ट होगा उसके इक्वल होगा. सेम अगर आपका इमेजिनरी पार्ट है, इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू द इमेजिनरी पार्ट in right hand side. So we can say 3x equals to minus 2. So x equals to minus 2 by 3. Right. In the same manner, if you see imaginary part, coefficient of I is 2x minus 4 and the coefficient in RHS side is 3. So we will compare with this. We equate with this 3. Okay, so real part of in LHS side is equals to real part in RHS side. Imaginary part of a particular number is in LHS is equal to the imaginary part in RHS. Okay, this is 2x minus y. We'll substitute the value of x as a minus 2 by 3 here to get the value of y. Right. So what I will get, minus 4 by 3 minus y is equals to 3. If I take y is in right hand side, what I will get, y is equals to minus 4 by 3 minus 3. We'll solve this. How much I will get? 3 minus 4 minus 9, that is minus 13 by 3. So this will become your final answer. We have to calculate x and y in this. So x is minus 2 by 3 and y is minus 13 by 3. So if I am saying what is the conclusion about it, so conclusion ये होगा कि रियल पार्ट LHS में जो भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होगा, रियल पार्ट ऑफ Z1, इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ Z1 is equals to real part of Z2 plus imaginary part of Z2. So we can directly say if it is equal means real part of this Z1 is equals to real part of Z2, and here imaginary part of Z1 is equals to imaginary part of Z2, then only it will be equal. अगर केवल रियल पार्ट आपका इक्वल है और इमेजिनरी पार्ट इक्वल नहीं है, उस केस में इक्वालिटी वैलिड नहीं होगी। इक्वालिटी ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर तभी डिफाइन होगी जब आपका रियल पार्ट ऑफ Z1 इज इक्वल्स टू रियल पार्ट ऑफ Z2 एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ Z1 इज इक्वल्स टू इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ Z2 होगा, तभी वैलिड है, राइट। Now we will see the value of iota. Like if I want to calculate I to the power 2024, how I will calculate? What I will do? I will divide with this 2. So 2024 is divided by 2. How much I will get? 1012. So 1012. I can write this value as in this manner because 2 into 1012 is equals to 2024, and we know that I is equals to root of -1 and I square is equals to -1. These two value you have to remember. So I square is -1 to the power 1012. So any value which is having -1 to the power 1012 will becomes +1, right? You have seen है, अगर कोई निगेटिव पावर है, निगेटिव है, -1 है, उसकी पावर अगर स्क्वायर होती है, -1 की पावर स्क्वायर, it will give positive value. If it is, we'll take next example. Let's say I to the power 213, right? So 213 can be written as like I square, if I divide will take 212, so 2106, so you will get 106. So I square into 106, what we will get? 212. So we can into I. So how I will do this? अगर आपको ऐसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 213 है आपके पास, हम क्या करेंगे, एक माइनस कर देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको, 212, राइट। तो 212 को डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करेंगे, व्हाट आई विल गेट 106। तो ये पार्ट ये हो जाएगा। अब आपके पास 212 आ गया है, आई टू द पावर 212 आ गया है, आई टू द पावर 212। अब क्या चाहिए आपको, 213। सो 213 के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इंटू आई, बिकॉज आई टू द पावर 1 होगा। तो इफ यू ऐड द पावर्स 212 प्लस 1 इट विल गेट 213। इट्स सिंपल, यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस 2 स्टेप्स। इफ अगर पावर आपकी इवन होती है तो सिंपली डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कर दो, जो वैल्यू आएगी आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। अगर ये वैल्यू, अगर पावर आपकी ऑड होती है तो आप क्या करो, एक सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, 213 में से एक सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 212 आएगा, डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करेंगे तो ये आपका ये एक्सप्रेशन हो जाएगा, इनटू आप कर देना आई। क्यों करेंगे, क्योंकि दिस वैल्यू बिकम्स 212 इनटू आई। सो अगर बेस सेम होता है तो पावर्स क्या होती हैं, आपस में ऐड हो जाती है। आपने नाइन्थ क्लास में पढ़ा होगा, 2 की पावर m इंटू 2 की पावर n, 2 की पावर क्या हो जाता है m प्लस n। इसी वे से I to the power 212 डॉट I की पावर 1, सो इट विल बिकम 212 प्लस 1। दिस डॉट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन, राइट। सो I square is minus 1 to the power 106 into I. How will you take? Minus 1 to the power 106 becomes positive value, positive 1 into I. So final answer would be I. So I think it's easy. You can calculate any values. Now we'll do one more question. If you have I to the power 15 plus 1 upon I to the power 15, so first what we will do, we'll simplify this big powers like I to the power 15 and I to the power 15. Then we'll substitute here. First I will solve I to the power 15. How much it is? It is an odd power 15. So what I will do, I will simplify like this, I to the power 14 into I. So here I to the power 1, so 14 plus 1 becomes 15. I to the power 14 can be written as I square 7, 2 to the power 7 means 2 into 7, 14 into I. I square is minus 1 to the power 7 into I. So minus 1 to the power 7 means it is an odd value, it's not an even value. So if any, आपने देखा होगा अगर निगेटिव की पावर ऑड होती है लाइक 1, तो आंसर क्या आएगा माइनस 1। इवन की पावर, अगर माइनस 1 की पावर इवन होती है तो यू विल गेट प्लस 1। तो बेस्ड ऑन इट, अगर माइनस 1 की पावर 7 आपका क्या आ रहा है माइनस 1 आ रहा है, तो आप क्या करोगे माइनस 1 इंटू आई। सो फाइनली व्हाट यू विल गेट, आई टू द पावर 15 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस आई। सो वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू हियर एज अ माइनस आई प्लस माइनस आई। I told you if any complex number is in division like this way, what we will do, we will rationalize it. अगर ये डिवीजन में है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको रैशनलाइज करेंगे। कैसे रैशनलाइज होगा, माइनस आई विल टेक दिस माइनस साइन हियर, नो इशू, प्लस इंटू माइनस 1 इज हाउ मच माइनस 1, so minus 1 upon I. So what I will do, I will take this value as it is, I will rationalize this, rationalize in this manner, minus 1 upon I into I upon I, right? Now so it is minus I minus 1 into I is I, and I square, I into I is I square, and I told you I square has a value of minus 1, so minus 1 I upon minus 1, so minus I minus minus, this minus minus becomes plus, plus I, so minus and minus 1 I, it will becomes 0. So finally what we get the value of this expression as a 0. Okay, now next, next we'll solve some complex problem. Okay, So we'll solve this problem. As I told you, what is the value of I to the power 15? I square is a minus 1 to the power 7 into I. Minus 1 to the power 7 is minus, so we'll get the value of I15 as minus I. Previously I told you, so it will be minus I square minus 3. We'll calculate the value of I19 here. I90 can be written as 2 9s are 18 into I. So I square is a minus 1 to the power 9 into I. Minus 1 to the power 9 you can write as a minus 1 into I. So finally what you get? Minus I. So I to the power 19 can be written as minus I plus I by 5. Minus I to the power square. So what I will get? I square minus 1 to the power square is plus 1 and I square has a value of minus 1 plus 3I plus I by 5. We'll solve it. How much we will get? 5 16 I by 5. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay.